Hello, today we're looking at this question. It says design A will be used as a package for a metal cup. Orthographic views of the metal cup are shown below. So we've got the different dimensions on here. We can see a circle coming up to a wider circle at the top. Gives a little plan view of the 30 being the base bit there. So on the centre lines below, draw a full-size planometric view of the metal cup. So with this, given us centre lines, with it being planometric, we can do it 45, 45. And with that, it means that any circle on here we can draw with a compass because it's a square shape. Unlike isometric, which has a 30-degree angles, this one creates a square. So what we're going to do is it's given us the centre line bit here for the very bottom. So I get my rule, and the very bottom part here we can see is 40 millimeters. So get my compass and my rule. I'll put this on 20 to put the radius, because it's 40 mm diameter, on there, and then I'm going to do a very faint circle around here. Start off with. So that is the very bottom bit there. The next bit is 10 millimeters. That part's 10 millimeters thick. So what I'm going to do is measure up this centre line, 10 millimeters. Put a little mark, and get my compass on that bit now, and do another faint circle. Oops. Back on. Like that. So, that base part, we can finish it off by getting my 45-degree set square. Do a line down here. So I'll go with that bit thicker, go with that bit thicker, and I'm also, just for now, going to go over this bottom line thicker. Right, so go back to the drawing again. We've now drawn this curved bait at the bottom. This next bit is 30 millimeters, this part here. It's on the same spot as that one we did just now for the top of this base bit. So what we've got to do is move our compass, so instead of being 40 diameter to being a 30 diameter, which is a 15 mm radius. So I move it in, and I go on the circle, and that dot part again, and draw a faint circle. So I've got a faint circle here showing the bottom bit there. So what we need to do now is this part then gets wider, diameter does, going towards the top. So eventually it's a 60 diameter at the top. So from this middle point here, we need to go up 80 millimeters. So what I'm going to do, get my rule, from that mark I've made, and I go up 80 millimeters and put a mark. So again, I get my compass and my rule. So this time it's 60 at the top, 60 diameter, so 30 radius. So I put it 30, put it 0, and I put it on this dot. And this is the very top of it, looking straight down the top, so I can go over this nice and heavy. So there's the top of the cup. So what we're going to do now is join the side of this down to the side of the circle here, and the same this side. And go over the other lines heavier. So the first thing we're going to do is the base bit. So that goes to here. So that line comes round to the edge there, going like that. And then finally the bottom part of this sloping bit coming down. So I'll go to there, and curve this around to there. So there we have the cup